Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Obi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so na you see something happened in courts the last time court in sensem court so na enye de bia na ebeba na ya ba be kase o judge we ya ye say judge we ya kase and the we see and I say ni see eto de bia there are other life lessons in so a koso court a eya na me pese me de tu nkrofo nim. Now that particular story bia by now no nanka it was a trending, but it's not even trending like ebia mahama koni ebo na asem go a yes say we ba na yes say and the jimensa adwane. There are some other life lessons via air course or courts ni mo and then me de ba ko ebremo se munya mo beka ya embra NDC wo mo legal team legal team no a member a friend no Dr. Ayini woko kan sema wo chere say the application NDC for application ayeboku ye no is marks of a predetermined agenda no na chere say ebia adwemupo judges nefa adwemupo ansa na wo mo ba court nti na enya ade atachu beka na ama judges no etie nti the atachu beka bia judges no be boygo. I mean that's what the predetermined agenda no, that's how it was understood. Judges no excited Dr. Ayini mambo dini amofanche me, but judges no excited no for contempt na etie for embra ye friend for contempt no na e wose wo ba ebegina judges nenim na subua judges na wose wo mo de bono no wo mo e de bono. Ghana ha say contempt wan hwe ya ye bechi watum. So it was a really serious matter. Asem we are making a very serious issue. Now something happened e wo court embra ye friend Dr. Ayini for a year say one bra na wono nso betre na asemu na nyama no BBC ye misusu say ye na ebetumi esua ade efrim, and a lot of people didn't even know. Now embra ye friend no easy the lawyer I friend of Justin Amenuvo sorry ye say wo kasa na judges ni be say na obi a ono kasa mahama ana wo ye NDC ni a wono kasa na wakwa kasa ye be chi for contempt no na wo easy lawyer no e na wo ba be ka ama nipa ko na na wasori a wo ba be kasa e no ka say judges mesremo Dr. Ayini de na asemu a wakan ebi kra na de easy boss easy ni lawyer no ye no eno kra na judges no ebia Dr. Ayini no yanchi na ntumu na bibisa aboni NC because verdict ne by later ye the assembly chen ye ka so nko apologize ne mfa nche no na ehwa na Justin Amenuvo sorry ye eno ka say mesramo judges Dr. Ayini a wogina and the witness box mo a wo kasa no madam for pound oye my best friend say wo ware kra me na me ye the best man tio we ye easy lawyer no asema wo kan court na me wan kan court kan me nim say ade no kra no they are very close. Yes say last be judge ne kan sem bi kra ma me hu say sa lawyers na ade a wo ye no they are just being professional because yes say akotampa kra ono kra na dan for pan ne chachu. That's what last be judge ba kon ono kra kan say judge no asema wo kan no oboade ame nso meboa but matesa akotampa ekufu ado lawyer no na dan for pan ene chachu chikata. But omo argue case na nhunda enti ho na Justin Amenuvo obi asebe na nko betumi eguja ana adeje gum se nipa ko a wo kasa se munchi ni ntum yese no osori no kata judges no judges mesremo Dr. Ayini ewom se kasa na wo kan no etwimu na nini nemu no eye rule na modern ma yen ni agenti na etwimu no easily na nko betumi aka se munchi ni ntum ana munye ni bibi na chese emma serve as a friend saying brofo mu use ni cry saying to deter people from doing the same. But someone wa kan ni o say Dr. Ayini o madam for pound chese wo ye my best friend wo ware kra me and me ye the best man When him so be also ko worry asebe na damfo pan or de ne ye the best man. I say what worry me na me ye the best man. In fact, ye ko school back wo ye madam for nyende free collaborate answer ne ye be dane lawyers no wo ye madam for amene no say ye ko school back na ye ni na ye wo Commonwealth Hall. He was even the secretary of Commonwealth Hall in their year, and they were friends from that time. So he's a very good friend. They go way back. Into was three judges no. As someone Dr. Ayinia can a good judges no who fee no channel. And this is what he said. Now me person me read the tremo on nankasa in his words. Quote, I say, yes, my lord. I came to support my roommates. Just say, well, yeah, you the roommates cry. I say, yes, my lord. I came to support my roommates. Because near bisa say, now oh be den wa adi contempt ni ache no. Nti o pe den wa o be sorry aka asemben. I say, yes, my lord. I came to support my roommates. Best man and my best friend. I say, oh, you're the roommate, or you're the best man, or something, you're the best friend. I say, I am not appearing as counsel, but a friend of Dominic Ayini. I say, oh, appear, what no, the SCC at that particular point, when who send a down for Dr. Ayini, one share ya betting out to no. I say, what the name Juma as, and now he's not appearing, he's not speaking as a counsel, but Okasa as Dr. Ayini na down for pan. I say, I am not appearing as a counsel, but as a friend of Dominic Ayini and a best man at his wedding. He was Commonwealth Hall Secretary in our year. He's a very good friend of mine. We go way back. I said, when Okan na Okan same way in our year, no. Muntie, the judges no, I can't. Judges no catch Dr. Ayini say. Asama Okan no, egu omu hu fin, eyo omu yaye. Na omo de bone ne beche no. Na ansa na womo de bone no ebeche no. Wono de se ne awo ba abonten ye bekasa ye no. Won bra abonten sa akeke. Na on beka se asem na wokan ye no. Wosre wanka ne ye. Omo de bone ne beche no. Oba abonten beka sa asem no wanka ne ye. And that me no ka say judges no de bone na che no. Ama womo say we want to strike we want to strike out having apologized and purge yourself from contempt. Into a most strike a contempt issue out because we apologize it. Ebia nanka easy lawyer no say aha nsema wokwa kan ye no etwi judges no because judges need dia mayentimi so me be mafia wa nanka ebia Dr. Ayini no kra no ebia nanka bebi sentence ayede be mano no nanka ebia nanka enye but edu court no onanka sani opponent o akai say madam fuyi waye madam for waye me roommate at least one thing about school ne say hey wo ye den wo ye sikeni se den kra embre bi betumi aba ebia na ekom kra de roommate eduane ana roommate didi a obetumi afro na do nsa aba betum opie ni wa wakọ university a obetumi de ne nse si ne bu aka say ebia won di ne roommate eduane da wo de bi so bia nti if for nothing at all kra na there had been a point ebia Dr. Ayini ne kra no sabi ne duane Mr. Menuvo de nsa tumda o se wo ye ne best man na tre se Dr. Ayini ne wedding kra ne duane no best man ne dibi na duane na wo wedding ase no enam ho aso nti at least wakai na danfo embra asem see ye wono who belong to the opposite side no wakai say madamfo now so madamfo no wo opposite side me ne no ye have legal battle but me massa hade no embe kata ye yonko fa ne so me massa adamfos me massa bonina ebe embe kata ye yonko fa ne so me free me side up na makwa twitwaje madamfo no I say I am not appearing as counsel but a friend of Dominic Ayini. Because the judges were surprised. Say, now who easy lawyer? Oh, me then I say we found na waka say tia ye ne ye for contempt aseme na obeka so o mesra mu madam for pound me ye the best man ono so ye me best man o ye me roommate way back ya ye ndam for 4 asem bi na aba we dia mo mfa nche no mesra mu mo mfa nche no judges no so de che no etiefo. These are some of the lessons Supreme Court in Sensem can be to me film. You should know. And that's what I say, sometimes these politicians or these people, you see them in court, the way they argue their matter, you think they are enemies. But behind the doors, we are. Omu kwatina choba ba kuno mu nie didio. No mu nie akọ mo ho asem. Nti ya ye teenage no so, yensu anyansem film hu no say we shouldn't fight over these people. Because they are friends behind the scenes. Me say me, I was very shocked though. What she say niya Chachuchi Katani akoto ampa womo. Wo de obe fi say womo be time womo ho. Because it here for the crane say yewo eni obi ena enya asem na mo kọ ahemfo nim na mo ka na nipa ko no yewo opposite. Naturally nipa ko no ka the thing opposite to what you are saying and in opposition of what you are saying naturally won't penny pakonasem. So in a lot of people trimuno ebe almost say bia akoton pa okra no woni chikata na Justin Amenuvo wonu so ne chikata na bia wo monka because of court in sensem no. But me say judge back mem say mo kra bia na mo amofolo no mutie ye judge back em so ka kire akoton pa say by no Chachuchikata is your very good friend. I'm a Kotampa can say Annie. They are really good friends. So but they are just professionals. So in Sembisia, we should learn from people like this. So the life lessons in this no and no na me pese me yeden me de betu mo enim. Obi aye o papa da. Obi aye wa downfall pain. Na ende sabe even though you belong to the opposite side the nipakone kano who would belong to the opposite side now so bonia kwakoto nipakono eto de bia forget about your position, forget about you opposing that your friend. Ne hu ne say we are madam for at least if for nothing at all krana wato edwane ma me de mensa atomu edida if for nothing at all krana me di edwane a wato da ana edwane a wa wetua ho kada. Oh dear, let me just forget about being right, let me just forget about my position and then just go and support him. And that is exactly what Justin Amenuvo has done. Me Melody Samiti he me bonse mama no. Se wa yade wa trese nyonko papa ewo wiase mu. De bia ye kan yesi me de me obi kan se me de me ni nyonko, me de me mfa nyonko, and de me mfa nyonko. But at least for once, for me, what I've seen Justin Amenuvo atre se nyonko papa ewo wiase mu. Nyonko papa wo wiase mu asem to wa emfa ne ho se wono na asem na different from wo de wo beba ba be kan bi ama wo. Asem no no internet for montre mo adwen ewo eye comment box ne mu montre mo adwen me da say ye nua yinsia from this me da say